Hello and welcome back to another video on Friend's Car Repair Corner. So today I want to sort out the front grills because this is what my Mondeo looks like at the moment now. And as you can see with the alloys and, you know, my grills and all of that stuff that I've kind of done to the car, it looks good, but yeah, that bottom grille at the moment now is just, yeah, it needs sorting out, needs dechroming. And I believe it's just done in with clips. So let's get out to the car and I can show you how you can remove the bottom grille. And yeah, I'm gonna give it a spray up and fingers crossed it ends up looking good. And yeah, gives me a nice exterior look for the car. So let's get to the car and get this grille off. Okay, so I've showed you how to not remove it, and as you can see I have, yeah, ended up snapping and breaking all of this top part here. So I'm gonna super glue this back hopefully, and then yeah, sand it all down and then give it a spray. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do now, give it a bit of super glue on these bits. Okay, I got one of these like sanding adapters for the Dremel, which has got like a Velcro so I can just stick the sandpaper on it. So I've got a number of different grade sandpaper. Just gonna go with this one at the moment. I think it's probably like an 80 or maybe like a 120 or something like that. Yeah, just to give it a rough over. As you've seen, I have used the jet wash and got all of the sort of bits that I can, sort of flaky bits off. So now it's a bit of the prep work before we can start primer. Right, there we go, sanded down, obviously not 100% because I do still have bits like, yeah, in here. But yeah, I want to give it a primer and see if there's anything else that I need to do before, yeah, going too deep with it. But yeah, so far so good. Right, okay, so it has been painted. I've given it a lacquer as well. I'm no paint professional, so it's not going to be the greatest, but it is definitely going to look a lot better than it did. So let's get this to the car. There we have it then, all complete. I think that makes the front end look so much better. Obviously I've got this scratch just here that I need to sort out. Maybe I could touch up the actual parking sensors. But yeah, I think I just need to put a little bit of glue in there and there because those tabs were broken. But otherwise, yeah, I'm happy with that. We'll get the touch-up pen as well out on the fogs just to get rid of some of this. So I'll do that quickly now and then I'll show you what they then look like. There we go then, all complete. Giving that a tidy, grill all done, this fog as well. Right, if you have enjoyed this video, then make sure to hit a like on the button down there. Subscribe if you're not subscribed. And I think the next video is going to be me adding an exhaust to the car. So yeah, make sure that you're subscribed and got that bell notifications clicked so that you don't miss when the video comes live. And join me on the next one. Bye.